Hi, folks. This is Christian Brindle here. Hope everything is going well. Hope wherever you are and however you may be listening, this message finds you doing well. Today, I wanted to give you a short little plan review, Medicare supplement plan review of Mutual of Omaha Medicare supplement plans. Now, of course, I'm going to begin this message by saying this is not saying that every single person on Medicare should enroll into necessarily Mutual of Omaha Medicare supplement plans, but for some people, they're a terrific fit. Mutual of Omaha is an insurance company that's been in business for well over 100 years. It's one of the most trusted names in the Medicare supplement industry. And as a broker that works with various different insurance companies, they have been a joy for me personally to work with over the years. So let's get started here. So, like every other Medicare supplement company, Mutual of Omaha carries certain plans that are our Medigap plans, if you will. Medigap plans are insurance plans that are created by the government to come in and pay after Medicare. When you have a Medicare supplement plan, Medicare Parts A and Part B act as your primary insurance. They become your primary insurance, if you will. They come through and pay about 80% of medical bills after deductibles and coinsurances are met, and they leave behind 20%. What we have before us on this page, the numbers are a little bit off here, but you kind of get the point on this. This is an older chart. But these are the various different Medicare supplemental plans that are available with any of the Medicare supplement companies. And Medicare supplement plans, as many of you may know, are standardized, meaning that every single insurance company that carries, for example, a Plan G or a Plan F or a Plan N or a Plan M, the benefits are going to be equal and the same across the board. There's only two differences that lie. The first being what the insurance company is going to charge is in the form of premiums monthly for the plan. That can be different between any insurance company for the exact same coverage. And also what their rate increases might be going forward, as most Medicare supplement companies from year to year will raise their premiums year in and year out. So there are various different types of plans that are available. Most people since 2010 have purchased one of three plans you see on the screen before you. That would be Plan F, Plan G, Plan N. Plan F, as many of you may know, due to the MACRA bill that's taking effect in 2020, is being grandfathered in for new people that enroll into Medicare. They become eligible for Medicare for the first time. The rule is if you become eligible for Medicare after January 1st of 2020, you will not be able to enroll into a Plan F, so just forget you even see that there. However, if you were eligible for Medicare before 2020, then you will still have the access and the availability to enroll into a Plan F if you so choose. Plan F is the only one, as you can see here, that pays 100% of everything Medicare does not pay for. The only spot that they do not pay 100% on is foreign travel out of the country, which no Medicare supplement does on that. They pay 80% up to $50,000 lifetime after a $250 deductible is met. Plan G is identical to a Plan F in every way, with the exception of one thing. The Plan G does not pay for something called the Medicare Part B deductible. Now, the Medicare Part B deductible in 2019, as I record this, is $185, although it is subject to change. Next year in 2020, it is going up, projected. Plan N is the third plan of the three most popular Medicare supplement plans that we typically see in our office. Plan N also does not pay the Medicare Part B deductible, same as the G. Plan N also does not pay for Part B excess charges, which in some areas of the country it's more of a concern than others. We don't see it typically here in our office, but on rare occasion, in some states it's actually not legal to charge them. Plan N also comes with two copays that are associated with the plan. A Plan N has up to a $20 doctor copay. It could be less depending on the type of doctor you're going to see. A Plan N also has a $50 emergency room copay. So the rates on all of these plans are going to vary, folks, from state to state. So depending on your state, if the rates are relatively close on an N or a G, and an N and a G, I should say, a G is probably going to be the better fit because it's better coverage. Although if you save a tremendous amount of money with an N, then there's an argument to be had. F plans over the years have just kind of inflated as far as price, in my opinion. They're not as competitive as they used to be. Typically between an F to a G, you can typically save anywhere between $25 to $50 a month depending on your market in premium alone. So what are some things that sets Mutual of Omaha apart from some other carriers? Well, Mutual of Omaha has an A+ rating for financial stability with AM Best and other financial rating systems. That is a fantastic thing because financial stability are going to determine how much a company has to raise your rates going forward. Now, Mutual of Omaha typically is very competitive with these things, although they're not perfect by any stretch of the imagination as a broker standpoint. Mutual of Omaha has one of the best household discounts programs in the industry in some states. Okay. Now, there are some areas, like Florida, for example, where this discount program is not offered. But on the areas that it is offered, it typically gives a 12% discount if you are married and your spouse is over the age of 60. They don't even have to be on Medicare. And last but not least, Mutual of Omaha has been in business since 1909. They've been in business steadily for over 100 years, and they're one of the most well-known and trusted names in the insurance industry. Mutual of Omaha has multiple different companies that are available in different states. Now, depending on the state you might be watching this from, a different Mutual of Omaha company may be available opposed to another. They use these different companies to come in and offer lower rates. Anytime a Medicare supplement company has, let's say, a company they're using called XYZ Insurance Company to run their Medicare supplement rates on, remember at the beginning of the video I said that Medicare supplement plans typically have rate increases every single year. At some point, these rate increases are going to make the plan not very competitive, so they're able to come in with a new company, a new subsidiary company of theirs, and start over with a brand new product and offer lower rates to newer customers. So Mutual of Omaha has various different companies that they offer their Medicare supplement plans through across the country. As I said, rates vary by state. In some states, Mutual of Omaha could be the best available rate for you or very close to the best. In some states, it might not be very competitive. My company, Christian Brindle Insurance Services, can provide rate information in the following states because these are the 5 states at the moment as I talk to you about this that we are licensed and appointed with Mutual of Omaha, but as well as many, many other insurance companies as well to do Medicare supplemental plans. Utah, our home state, Florida, Texas, Oregon, and Idaho. Again, that is Utah, Florida, Texas, Oregon, and Idaho. Like I said, depending on where you're listening to this from, rates may vary. In some areas, the Mutual of Omaha plans can be incredibly competitive. In others, they might be a little higher than others. Call today. There is me on the screen with my handsome self. Our office number, folks, is 801-255-5340, 801-255-5340. For those of you who don't know me, I'm the host of the Everything Medicare Podcast. We've been hosting that for about a year and a half, and has become the second, if not the most popular Medicare-centric podcast on the internet today that reaches people all over the country and educates them about Medicare. I've published 2 books on the topic of Medicare. I've worked with a tremendous amount of people, and I started in this business at a very young age. I'd love the opportunity to be able to help you and help you find the best available fit for you. And if that happens to be a Mutual of Omaha plan, then by golly, we'd be happy to do it for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have a great day. If you enjoyed this video and you found it informative, please drop a like, comment in the comment section what you'd like to see on future videos, and subscribe for future content. Have a great day.